I'm Nina Elizabeth from TikTok, and you're watching the For You page. Hey guys, it's Nina, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be giving you guys some tricks and tips on how to get on the For You page on TikTok. And this is just stuff that has helped me that I've kind of noticed. So I thought, hey, why not share them with you guys? And just a small disclaimer here, these tricks are not like a guarantee to get you on the For You page. It's just stuff that has helped me, so hopefully it'll help you guys too. So if you want to start seeing results like this, or this, or maybe even this, well, make sure to keep watching. Also, if you're not following me on TikTok, make sure to go follow me at Nina Elizabeth 1. Because I'm kind of giving you guys some tips right now to help you guys out on TikTok, so it's just you can just go follow me on TikTok. Also, make sure to subscribe down below. My first tip is to use hashtags. Hashtags are very important, and I definitely recommend using them. They definitely increase your chances a lot. I remember the first time I started using hashtags, I noticed a huge difference in the amount of likes I was getting. Some of my favorite hashtags to use are For You, For You page, TikTok, and trend. I've just noticed when I've used those hashtags, I've gotten on the For You page more. I remember when I first used the hashtag For You, I remember I got 2,000 likes on my TikTok, and at the time, that was a lot of likes for me, so it was just crazy. So I ended up using the same hashtag on my next TikTok, and I ended up getting 30,000 likes. So they definitely do help. I also noticed a lot of people do use those hashtags that don't get on the For You page. And I think the reason for that is, I think a lot of people have figured out the hashtag trick, and now it's doesn't work as much anymore. But do use them. They do increase your chances of getting on. My second tip has to do with shares. You know, that little button at the bottom of the page, it kind of looks like that, like a little arrow. Yeah, that's the share button. And my theory is, the more shares you get, the more your TikTok gets promoted on the For You page, and the more likes you get too. Here's some examples of my TikToks. One of them has 57 shares and 2,000 likes, while the other has 1,300 shares and 130,000 likes. That is a big difference. And unfortunately, there's not a lot of control over how many shares we're getting. But my best tips for you is maybe tell your friends about it and ask them to go share it to their friends, and maybe they will go share it to their friends, and kind of goes onto a chain. Or make content that people will just have to share when they see that. And that kind of leads into my third tip, which is be creative with your TikToks. I've noticed whenever I try to follow a trend, it doesn't get on the For You page as much as one where I'm just totally being creative and original. And I think that might be because of so many people do a certain trend that not everyone gets promoted. But the reason a lot of people do the trend is because that's what they see on the For You page. But in reality, it's usually only the big creators who get on the For You page from that trend, or just people who get really lucky. So definitely be more creative in your TikToks. And I know this can be such a hard thing. I personally struggle with it. But it takes time, it takes thought, it takes creativity. You just gotta think and work hard and go for it. My fourth tip is to use sounds that are already popular and already have a lot of videos under it, rather than sounds that don't have a lot of videos. And it doesn't even have to be currently popular. It can be popular a few months previous to that, and it will still get a lot of likes. Now, I'm not really sure why this works, but I've noticed this helps me a lot. It might be because it has a lot of videos under it, so then TikTok will want to promote it to people thinking that they'll like it, and it just works. So that's just a small little tip for y'all. My last tip is to make TikToks that entice viewers to keep watching. And what I mean by this is that they'll want to watch the same TikTok over and over again, and then like it, then follow you, and go and like all your other TikToks too. And some of the best ways to do this is Make TikToks that are about interesting topics. Make TikToks that you're doing something interesting in it, or something that people just like have to see, or they're just like really like, or just something that people just want to see over and over again, honestly. When people watch a TikTok over and over and over again, it tells TikTok that it's good and it will promote it to more people and keep it on the For You page. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope these tips were helpful and you get on the For You page. If you get on the For You page from anything I said in this video, make sure to comment down below and let me know. And if you also have your own tips on getting on the For You page that I don't know about, make sure you comment those down below as well. Make sure to go follow me on TikTok at NinaElizabeth1 and on Instagram at ninaelizabeth.yt. Well, anyways, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on your post notifications. Bye!